Hi everyone, and welcome to Creative Chelsey. Today I'm going to be sharing with you my last paper pumpkin alternative project using the February 2022 paper pumpkin kit called Safari Celebration. Now, if you're interested in seeing me unbox this kit or create any of my other alternative projects, you can click on the playlist and I'll link it up here in the top right corner. If you are new to my channel and want to see more of my videos, click on the subscribe button and then the bell for notifications. I would love to be your Stampin' Up! Demonstrator and help you with any of your paper crafting needs. To purchase any of the products you see me use today, or to subscribe to Paper Pumpkin, please use the links that are in the description below. Each month, I provide my Paper Pumpkin subscribers with an exclusive card kit designed by me. This is the card they will be making with their kit. If you would like to also receive this extra perk, you can sign up to get your own Paper Pumpkin subscription with me by using the link below in the description. When I design these kits for my subscribers, they are designed around using just the stamp set and ink spot from the kit. You'll notice that my card doesn't use any of the other products. I may add a couple extra ink colors, and so I want it to be very versatile and easy for my subscribers to put together. So for this card, I used a lot of the coordinating colors that did come from the kit. So I've got Pear Pizzazz, Bumblebee, Soft Succulent, and Fresh Freesia, along with the rich Razzleberry. Today I want to show you how easy it is to switch up those colors and create a different card using the same supplies. So for the card I'm going to be sharing with you today, I'm going to use the leaf image, and then make sure to stick around and see how I did it with the cupcake image from the kit. So I'm going to start on my 3-inch circle, and I'm going to use a variety of green colors. And I also have my Simply Chamois nearby so that I can switch up between those colors. So I've got my leaf image on one side, and I'm just going to start stamping this randomly across the circle. So we're not stamping it all around the circle, but just kind of in a horizontal area across it. The next color I have is Old Olive. I'm just going to clean off my stamp a little bit. And you want to make sure that you're using a variety of angles when you're stamping too. And then the last color I wanted to use was Mossy Meadow. You could also pull in a 4th color here if you wanted to. Let's see. And they can overlap a little bit as well. You might have noticed that I did about 3 of each. If you're using more colors, then you may want to just do 2. Next, I'm going to use the rich Razzleberry ink spot from the kit and the splatter dots and stamp this a couple places. This is just going to add that little rich razzleberry color to the image. There we go. So it will look something like this. So next I'm going to stamp my greetings, and I really love the "You Are So Fantastic." And in the kit there's going to be this larger piece, and so what you need to do is stamp the greeting that you choose on the basic white cardstock, and then we're going to be fussy cutting it out. So I'm not good at fussy cutting straight lines, so I'm going to use my paper trimmer to cut 2 lines on each side of this greeting, and I do want them to be kind of close, so I'm lining it up with my cut guide and trimming. And it's just about a 1/4 of an inch strip right there. That should fit pretty nicely. And then I'm going to cut those apart. Then I'm going to take Fantastic and I'm going to fussy cut this out. If you don't like fussy cutting, you can also use maybe a label punch, or you could just cut it into a rectangle. Okay, so it looks something like this. And then you're going to take some of the dimensionals and you'll want to cut them into thin strips, and you're going to add them to the back of each of those words. Okay, so now we're ready to put our card together. I'm going to place the leaf I'm going to adhere the circle to the rich raspberry circle, scallop circle, and then I'm going to add this to my card base. I'm using a card base of Sahara sand. I just liked the neutral color that it gave my card. And that just goes a little higher than center and evenly spaced on the sides. Next, I'm going to add a little bow with the glue dot, and I just want it on kind of the bottom left corner of that circle. And I've tied a bow with 10 inches of linen thread. And now I can layer on my greetings. And I'm going to start with the word fantastic, and I'm just going to place it over that bow and kind of down at the bottom. And then just kind of start working my way up. So I have so next. And they can go on at an angle if you want. So we've got R and then U. And I have also added dimensionals to the back of these. So it says, "You are so fantastic." So let me share with you my cupcake design. So it's very similar. You're going to stamp it along that horizontal area of the circle. I used different colors that coordinated with the kit. And then I used coordinating Stampin' blend markers to color in the bottom cupcake wrapper on all of those. And then used Let's Celebrate You and did the bow just like I did before. So I hope you enjoyed watching me create this fun card using just the stamps from the Paper Pumpkin kit in February 2022. If you're interested in getting your own subscription to Paper Pumpkin, please use the subscription link in the description below. If you'd like to get written instructions or see close-up images of how I created this card, you can visit my blog, creativechelsey.com. Thanks so much for watching. Have a creative day. Bye.